It's a 2011 GMC Terrain. This Terrain means more than just utility and capability. It's a strikingly designed crossover that bridges the gap between comfort and function. Features include automatic transmission, front heated leather bucket seats, external memory control, rear parking sensors, driver memory seats, power heated mirrors, AM/FM satellite radio, power sliding and tilting sunroof, remote engine start, and V6 engine. Edmunds.com reports a small crossover, the Terrain stands out thanks to its stylish cabin, versatile back seat, ample standard features, and sophisticated driving manners. GMC, it's not just a vehicle, it's a professional-grade tool. Take it for a test drive today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.